Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to insert photos and GIFs into your Google Slides. Using only text in your Google Slides representation is a great way to lose the attention of your audience. Inserting photos and animated GIFs can immediately spice things up to by emphasizing the important points you make. So in this video I will walk you through how to insert images and animated GIFs into your Google Slides. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and navigate towards Google Slides. Once you open your Google Slides, you will get like this window. Click on blank presentation. Now you can see there is an insert option. Using this option, we can insert our images, text box, audio, video and many more options here they given. In this video, I am going to show how to insert the images to your Google Slide. So there are many options to insert image to your Google Slides. The first one is that upload from computer. This means that you can get a picture that from your local host. Then the second option is search the web. So using the browser you can get any images that you wanted to insert. Then we have the drive option. If you are maintaining images in your drive, you can use even drive option and photos option. Then we have by URL. Using the image URL, you can insert a image to your Google Slide. Then the camera. The final one is camera, that you can use your default camera that you had in your laptop. You can use that and you can take a pic and insert them. First I will show how to upload your images from local computer. Once after inserting image, you crop them, you can resize, whatever you want to do, you can do. You can add text on images. Now I will show second way of inserting image, that is by searching image in browser. You can search image in browser and you can insert them in your Google Slide. Click on the image and click on insert. This will insert the image from browser and you can resize the image and you can edit them in any way by adding the text and by changing the color, background color, anything. Let's see another way of inserting image to your slide, that is by using drive. That is by using your Google Drive. Click on drive option. So click on image and insert them. Then as previously I told, you can edit image in any way. This is the way of inserting image using Google Drive. Then remaining ways of inserting images are by using photos and by URL and camera. Now let's see how to insert an image using photos option. So insert, then image and photos. Same as previous step, click on the image and insert them, that's all. You can then edit in any way. Then let's see by using URL how to add image. Here you have to paste the URL of image that you want to insert to your Google Slides and then click on the insert, that's all. Until your URL isn't correct, the insert button won't be activated. So please try to enter a proper URL to insert an image. Then last way is of inserting image using camera, that is default camera that you have in your laptops. Take a pic and insert to your Google Slide. This is about how to add images and animated GIFs to your Google Slide from using different ways. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.